Get to the side, stand by the train blasting, get to. Yeah, YouTube. But looks like it's back on the stop, YouTube. Looks like it's back on the stop, YouTube. I ain't quite sure. Yes, I didn't miss the locomotive by accident, YouTube. Ain't go to train cars I missed the top, but yeah, YouTube. I was back on the stop. Hey, it's a sign. Somebody done rocks at a train, YouTube. We got some idiots trespassing rural property, YouTube. Check this out. We got some idiots. Freaking retards. Yeah, YouTube, train comes to stop for some reason. YouTube, I don't know why the train comes to stop, but it's come to hard to stop for some reason. YouTube, I don't know why, but yeah, it's come to a stop, and hopefully the train crew is okay. Hopefully, and also hopefully that the locomotives are okay. Hopefully, cause then those YouTube, I think of idiots down there trespassing real properly, and I think, and actually, I'm glad I caught that on camera, YouTube. I caught that right on camera. So yes, YouTube, that there was called trespassers down there. As you can tell, don't rock at the train. So yes. Now then we call idiots. Clearly trespassing on railroad property. What idiots.